Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wild Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to set up Raspberry Pi without monitor, keyboard and mouse. And we will see how to install OS in Raspberry Pi board. So let us get started step by step. First of all we require some hardware like Raspberry Pi board, SD card reader, Ethernet cable and power supply. We don't need any monitor, any keyboard and mouse. Okay. Now we have to download and install some software like SD card formatter, disk imager, putty, VNC viewer and Rasbian OS. So I will search here Raspberry Pi. And go to official website of Raspberry Pi software, Raspberry Pi OS, this is Raspberry Pi OS with desktop and it is recommended software. So I will download this, click on download. It is downloading. Now I will download another software, that is SD card formatter. In Google and I will search here SD card formatter and click over here. Now I will download. Where is download button? Okay, for Windows I will click over here and accept. It is downloading. And another software is Win32 disk imager. So I will search and Google again. Win32 disk imager. I will download. It will be downloading. Okay, it is downloading. I will download putty software. I will search here putty. Click on putty.org website and this is putty download. I will click over here and again Windows 64-bit. So I will download 64-bit putty.exe. Okay. Now I will search VNC viewer. Okay, click over here and download VNC viewer. Okay, you can see here VNC viewer has been installed and putty has been installed, disk imager and SD card all has been installed. Only Rasbian OS is still downloading. It will take near about 2 hours, but we will not wait 2 hours. I have already downloaded Rasbian OS, so I will cancel this. Okay, and now I will go to SD card formatter. I will open the folder download. Okay, this is SD card formatter. I will extract this. Okay, I will double click over here. It is installing. accept, next, next, finish. Okay, SD card formatter has been installed. So now I will close this, and again I will install another software. It is Win32 disk imager. I will double click over here, accept the agreement, next, 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 create a shortcut on desktop, next, install, finish, close this, and okay. Now I will install putty software. Okay, we no need to install, we can use by double click over here. So close it, and again, and now I will install VNC viewer. Okay, next, I accept the license agreement. Okay, next, and install, finish. This is Raspberry Pi OS. I have already downloaded. Now we have to format SD card. I will connect the micro SD card with my computer. Okay, this is my micro SD card drive. Close this, and I will format it. So I will search here SD card formatter. Okay, I will refresh it, and you can see this is its capacity is 29.72 GB. It means this is my SD card drive. So click on format, yes. Okay, it has been formatted. Now close this. Now I will extract this file, extract file. Okay, okay. Now I will open Win32 disk imager. This is Win32 disk imager. Device is selected here, my micro SD card, H drive, and I will select here OS. This is ISO file. Select this and open. Now I will click on write button. Yes, now OS is writing in my micro SD card. You can see LEDs blinking of this card reader, and it will take a little bit time. Okay, so write successful. Okay, and now exit this. We have to edit one thing, because by default SSH is disabled, so I have to enable this SSH. Go to my computer and boot file. I will create here SSH file without any extension. Okay, I will again open downloads folder. I will insert this micro SD card in Pi board. Okay, now I will connect power supply. Okay, and now I will connect this Ethernet cable with my laptop. Okay, I will open putty again. Raspberry Pi dot local port is 22 and click on SSH. Okay, open. Wow, terminal has been opened. Now click on yes button. Here it is asking login as a, so first type pi, this is username, and again we have to type password. So by default password is raspberry only, RASPBERRY, enter. Okay, terminal command is working. Now first of all we have to change interface configuration, so we have to type sudo rasp config. Okay, now go to interface option, and here I will enable VNC as, okay, VNC server is enabled, and another interface we can check again. No, we no need to enable another interface. Now go to VNC viewer, just I will type here raspberry pi dot local, it is connecting with the Raspberry Pi board. Continue, and username is pi and password is RASPBERRY, and okay. Wow, this is OS of Raspberry Pi board, and this is user interface. So welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop. Before you start using it, there is a few things to set up. Press next. So next, country I am from India, so I will select India. Language English. Okay, now next, enter new password. So new password is only pi pi board, pi board. Okay, next, no need to connect internet, and I will not upgrade this software, so skip this and done. Okay, now we can change the resolution. So go to preference and Raspberry Pi configuration, performance, personalization, interface. You can enable everything here, SPI and I2C. Display here is set resolution. I will set the resolution 1280 into 720. Okay, yes, I will reboot this system. enter username was not recognized, so okay, and I will again click here. It is again reconnecting. Password has been changed, so I will type again password, that is pi board, and okay. Wow, resolution has been changed, you can see. This is programming education official and internet. Here Chrome browser is inbuilt and VNC viewer is inbuilt. Sound and videos, here PLC player is there, and graphics, games, accessories, everything are there. So I will just open web browser. So it is not connected with internet, so I will connect with my internet. Okay, okay, it has been connected. Now I will reload this. Okay, now I will open YouTube. And I will search my channel name. Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you really like my video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please, I am requesting again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any doubt, so let me know on comment box. Thanks for watching.